I'm in a very different environment to a snowy Sweden. I'm currently living in Mexico, in a city called San Luis Potosi, which is located in the middle of Mexico. The name of the city came from King Saint Louis of France, and Potosi from the silver mines in the region, as apparently the city of Potosi in Bolivia also had rich mines. King Louis never came, nor did the region become very wealthy from the mines. However, the city is full of colonial architecture from Europe. On almost every street corner is a street food vendor, selling fresh juice, tamales and elotes. Tamales is a dumpling wrapped in a corn or banana leaf, and elotes is a cup of sweet corn with cheese, mayonnaise, chili and lime. Another popular dish is pozole. This is a traditional soup with corn and can be either made white, red or green like the Mexican flag. It is topped with shredded lettuce, onion, radish, salsa, lime and tostadas. I'm certainly enjoying the warm weather, culture, fresh fruit and veg, and meeting all the friendly street dogs. When possible, I try to buy some dog food, but I've met so many locals who are willing to help the dogs, including this lady who bought this dog some chicken nuggets. But most of the time, the dogs just want attention and some love. I've been enjoying exploring downtown and the markets, and I'm slowly learning a bit of Spanish. But as a wildlife photographer, I have also been discovering the city's wildlife. "15 minutes walk from me is this large urban park. With a big concrete lake and planted trees, it may not seem like a good place for nature, but I have actually discovered an incredible abundance of wildlife. This is Parque Tangamanga. 420 hectares protected from urbanization. It is the second largest park in Mexico. One species I have enjoyed photographing the most is the black-necked stilt. This is an abundant shorebird in the Americas. They have long pink legs and a long thin black bill, which looks great against the golden rising sun. The lake hosts a great variety of species, including neotropical cormorants, sandpipers, and there was even an osprey hanging around for a few days. Edges of the lake have dried up. It's the dry season, so there's been very little rainfall. But this means I can crawl down and photograph the birds at eye level. This helps create depth of field behind the bird and isolates them, creating a more captivating portrait. It's been a gorgeous sunrise this morning. I'm really happy with some of my backlit shots of the stilts. but it's already too bright to take photos, so I think I'm finished already. I'm going to have a walk around the forests here and see if I can find any other interesting wildlife. I've seen an osprey fly over this morning, a few falcons, so I'm sure there's something interesting. Is that a squirrel? Meet the rock squirrel. I actually had no idea I'd find squirrels here, so it was a pleasant surprise. This is a ground squirrel native to Mexico. They dig burrows into the ground, which provide shelter and safety. This is the first time I have photographed and closely watched a social squirrel. Rock squirrels live in colonies, with several females and a dominant male that protects the group. Something else that I have discovered that is very unusual and interesting to me is that the squirrels are mostly herbivores, which makes total sense since they do not live in trees and do not collect many nuts and seeds. These rock squirrels mostly eat stems and shoots from plants. I have only seen a few individuals climb palm trees, but they don't seem to be foraging, just watching the beautiful view. Well, actually, I assume these squirrels are being vigilant, which is common in social rodents. This squirrel is keeping watch for predators, and if he spots something dangerous, he will make an alarm call to tell the group to run to the burrows. These are the largest squirrels I've seen, and since they are not tree squirrels, they have shorter claws and larger bodies, as they do not need to jump between trees. And I also discovered they are very friendly and gentle. In the past few weeks, I have discovered how important this park is for migrating birds. A few weeks ago, thousands of cedar waxwings arrived. There are also various birds of prey in this park. A juvenile Cooper's hawk, and hundreds of turkey vultures roost. I am discovering more and more wildlife, and I still haven't walked around most of the park. Although I have thoroughly enjoyed exploring urban wildlife, I am itching to travel to the south and find some tropical wildlife. A massive thank you to my patrons who support my work, and thank you for watching.